What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, GGFOREX here, and I have exciting news on today's video. No, I haven't passed FTMO challenge yet, but we are a lot closer. I just got 3.5% on NZD CAD today. I'll be showing you that, and NU, which I promised you like 2 videos ago, but I keep forgetting because my mind is just everywhere. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you a breakdown of NZD CAD, NZD, USD, and also just a quick update on my FTMO journey so far, plus my actual journal as well, to show you how many trades I've done in comparison to what I've done in my past challenges, just to show you where I've come from basically. So without further ado, let's just crack on the charts and let me show you these two beautiful breakdowns. Okay, I hope you guys can see me in the corner. Right, this is my NZD CAD trade that I did off the 4-hour time frame. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to start off with NU. I know you guys have been patiently waiting for NU, so I'll be showing you that now. So this is my NU trade. Let me zoom out so I can give you a better picture of what is going on. Now, from what I can see, this is a nice distribution. Now, what made me sell here and not any other places, right? It was this. This is what I was looking at. I was seeing price stepping up. We had 3 main pushes, like a Wyckoff distribution, right? What's it starting to look like? Like I've always said, starting to look like the top half of a circle. That's how I see it. That's how, sorry about it. I'm using my phone as a rest, right? That's how I see it. I see distribution and accumulation as top halves and bottom halves of circles. That's how I dumb it down. That's how I see it in my head, to make it easier for myself, and that's how I show you guys, because I show you what I know and then you learn from that, right? So top half of a circle overall on a high time frame. This is a 4-hour time frame, right guys? So this isn't a 1 minute. If it's a 1 minute distribution, then it's a lot higher risk, because obviously that depends what that distribution is. It could be a distribution inside an accumulation and then you get stopped out if you're selling it. All right, so 4-hour time frame. Now what I was waiting for was a sign of weakness. I wanted to see this candle here. Let me zoom in. I wanted to see this candle here get broken, right? As you can see, it broke it. Why was that? Why do I want to see that? Because it shows me that I'm looking for sales here anyway. This is in a higher time frame point of interest. So for me, I'm seeing distribution in a key high time frame area, daily, weekly, monthly, right? I'm seeing that distribution play out on the 4-hour time frame, but now I need to see proof of weakness, right? I want to see some structure points broken, but I also want to have targets to go after. What are my targets? My targets are here, this whole line. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a square down here so you can see these are my targets. Well, that doesn't exist at the moment, so let's just go with here, okay? So what I will do to make it easier for you guys to see as well is I'll put replay mode on. So this is what I was seeing, right? I want to see this candle broken, so what I would do is I'll set an alarm. So obviously when you work, you can't trade during work, so what you do, you just set an alarm after work on a 4-hour time frame. You know, you're only going to have 4 candles a day that you're actually going to see, so you've got plenty of time in this time frame to do what you want. You're seeing price stepping up, strength coming down, higher time frame interest. All you want to see now for me is a confirmation. I want to see this broken, because this candle caused this move to make higher highs. Now everyone else is going to see this as price stepping up, but when you trade smart money, you know that is not the case. So let's just play things out. Right, that candle was clearly broken, is violated, and it wasn't like it whipped it. It went all the way through and closed on the opposite side. So for me, sales are on. Now what I'm going to do is look for the candle that caused that action. What caused that move, right? And for me, it was this last up candle before this down move. If you zoom in on a lower time frame, what you're going to see is you're going to see a semicircle again, another distribution on a lower time frame in that area. Now, if you want to be super snipey and all that stuff, you can probably get in on a 1 minute candle with it's got some imbalance and stuff. But for me, I like to take it nice, simple. I'm just going to take the 4 hour candle, which is 20.5 pips. Some people aren't happy with that. I am now. And I've cleared targets down here, right? So now my next confirmation I want to see is maybe price controllably going up, flagging up, show me some sort of like bearish flag on the way up. Didn't really get that, had a huge reaction, so it was a bit scary. I think what I wanted to do was really wait to see what was going on. I think this is a couple of weeks ago, so I think I was waiting to see what was happening on other pairs, maybe saw better, more comfortable setups. Anyway, I set the markup like I did here, but I just never actually set that trade on my FTMO account, right? But again, it played out beautifully, so I'm happy with my forecast. So let me just play this out. Price played around for a bit. Now, you would have been maybe squeaky bum time because it spent a day and a half, almost 2 days in your entry area. So if you got bad mindset, you might have taken the trade off the table by then, might have bad patience, whatever it is. But I don't do that anymore. And then you see price coming down, NFP Friday, smash. I think it was NFP Friday, not entirely sure. But either way, my targets were smashed. I don't see any other re-entry points on this, but again, a 1 to 6 would have played out beautifully. One trade on 1% on that, 6% gain. You know, only 4 to go for the past FTMO off that one trade, and it lasted for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. 4 days, so a week's worth of holding. Or if you passed, or if you did 2% risk, we got 12% gain on that. Beautiful played out trade. And now I'm going to show you the latest trade I've literally just closed out of today, which is NZD CAD. So again, price is stepping down, right? Just zoom out so you can see price stepping down, making lower lows, right, lower highs, nice steady. I'm trading with the trend. What also am I seeing? I'm seeing, I'll put a box underneath so you can see it, equal lows, right? I'm seeing equal lows, but not only that, if I zoom out and I go on the weekly time frame and zoom back in, I'm seeing weekly equal lows. Now I know people are going to be seeing this as major support. It's a weekly time frame, it's hit once, reacted, hit once, reacted, hit, or twice, reacted, hit 3 times, reacted. So now I know there's a lot of liquidity building up beneath this, right? Let me go to the daily time frame. And you can see how price has bounced off this 3 times. So I think price is stepping down with the trend, and there's a huge pool of liquidity. So that's what I think the banks are going to want to drive the price to. That's where the money is. So when I see price bounce off this again, I'm like, right, okay, what caused that move? Same again, this is the last 4 hour candle. You might not be able to see it properly, but this is the last 4 hour candle I've highlighted here. If I go to the 3 hour, you might be able to see more of the body of it. This is the last area where price made this move. Every other candle before that is basically mitigated. If I was wrong here, then I'm thinking price might want to come up to there before coming down, right? So there was that risk element to it. There's an imbalance here, there's unmitigated candles there. But for me, that one was the most logical, because if they want to bring price all the way up here, they're probably going to smash through it, right? Because it's going to cost a lot of money to bring price back up to there just to put it down. They can, don't get me wrong. I mean, when you're trading with 100 billion, you know, price isn't really much. Now, why didn't I hold this all the way down here, right? That's because on my previous experience with FTMO, I held my trades too long. I was going for like 1 to 5, and if you look at it, right, down here where I would have got out 112 pips, right? That's a long way to go. I'm only going for 75 pips. So to me, TP is a reachable, realistic area, right, where I can get in and out of. I was in this trade for 3 days, right? I know this is a slow moving pair because it mostly moves during the Asian session, other than today, because it absolutely sent it to the bottom, right? But if I held it, and now I'm seeing price start to come back, it might come back, retest the area, and maybe come down further and then take out my original targets down here. But remember, I'm not into trading I'm not into holding swing positions. And this could just be a push up, come back down, and then price could quite easily, if I could, so price can push up, oh damn it, let's try again, brush, right, so price could push up, come down, and then go higher again, if I could, and then go higher again, mitigate that candle, and then come down, like that could happen. But again, I understood where I was in the story, right? The charts are a story. I understood where I was, I understood where I wanted to get out. I planned my trade and I traded my plan. Okay guys? What I'll do is I'll show you the back end of my FTMO account, which is quite good. So this is my FTMO account. Again, I still have only done 3 actual trading days because I'm holding them. What I might do if I pass, I'm going to have to do the whole like micro trading, and then, you know what I mean, when you just put like 0.01 lots on just to get this up to 10, which is kind of annoying. But again guys, I've only done 5 trades, 1 free, lost 2, and everything's looking good. 5 trades done, 3.75 lots used, and win ratio 1 to 3, 60% success rate. But yeah, that is all my trade history. That's all I've got. So again guys, you don't need to trade a lot to do well FTMO. You know, obviously I haven't passed yet, so I can't really say much on that. But so far, so good. I can't really complain about my results so far. But there you go guys, that is an update of my FTMO account, my 2 trade breakdowns, where I am at the moment, how I've adjusted my plan to pass the FTMO challenge. I haven't passed yet, but I'm on the right steps. I'm 7% up, I've only got 3% to go. I'm in EJ at the moment, which is a 1 to 4, so if it gets close to TP, just at 1 to 3, then I'm obviously going to pull that out, take the money, and then do the little micro lot trades just to get those days up to then pass and then move on to the verification. But again, EJ might fail. Who knows, right? I just got to plan my trade my plan. Every outcome is random. That's all you need to know. Every outcome is random. You cannot control the outcome. You are not in a position to do that because you don't have hundreds of billions at your disposal. You can't force price to make your trades winners, right? So guys, if you like this video, if you learned a lot, let me know in the comment box below. If you haven't already, join the GGFOREX group where I put all these markups up on there. And then, yeah, have a great day, have a great weekend, wherever you are. Like, share, subscribe. Love you all. I'll see you on the next one.